task 2.3, number 3, asks which is greater, 5, 6, or 7 tenths. Using the LCM is a good way to be able to compare these because we're going to find a common denominator. So first we're going to list the multiples of these denominators. We've got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. So our least common one that they both share is 30. They do not both have 6 or 12 or 18 or 24, but it has to end in 0 because of the 10. The first one we get to is 30. So now we're going to use that common denominator and rewrite these fractions into equivalent fractions. So our new denominator is 30. So 6 goes into 30 5 times. 6 and 5 are the factors. 30 is the answer. So we need to times this by 5. So 5 6 is the same thing as 25 thirtieths. We get from 10 to 30 by timesing by 3. So 7 times 3 is 21 thirtieths. So we're going to compare 25 thirtieths and 21 thirtieths. So we have this pizza, it's your favorite pizza. They cut it into 30 pieces. You can either take home 25 of them or 21. They're the same size, so 25 is going to be greater. So same order, so 5 6 is really greater than 7 tenths. By having these common denominators, it makes it really easy to see which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Now, if I wanted to simplify, so let's say I have 25 thirtieths, and I want to simplify that. Now this is when I would use the GCF. So to find the common denominator, we use the LCM. But if I want to simplify, I want to divide 25 and 30 by the biggest thing I can. 5 is the biggest number that goes into 25 and 30. So if I divide them both by 5, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So when we want those equivalent fractions, we can use the LCM, and that makes the denominator bigger. Or if I use the GCF and divide the numerator and the denominator, that simplifies my fraction. So there's ways you can use both of them as you are comparing fractions.